Hi, my name is Amanda Rocha. I am an estate planning and probate attorney in California, and today I'm going to tell you why estate planning is essential. But before I get into that, I want to tell you how to contact me. You can find me on my website at www.amandarocalaw.com. You can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law, or you can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that. The reason I want to talk to you about why estate planning is essential is because I was having a conversation with a potential client the other day who made this point to me after convincing his wife that they needed an estate plan, and I thought, what a brilliant idea, and I should definitely tell all of you. His wife wanted to know, why do they even need an estate plan? If something happens to them, then they're going to be gone anyway, so why do they care? Everybody else can just deal with it. Now, these people don't have children, so she's not trying to be harsh to her little children or anything. But his point was, if something happens to us, what do you mean if? It's guaranteed. And he's so right. And so we had this conversation where we talked about the fact that every single person dies. It's guaranteed, right? There's nothing guaranteed except for death and taxes. That's true. You're going to die. And no, it's not fun to talk about, but it's necessary to talk about. And maybe you don't have a strong feeling about who should get what, but it's more than just what happens if you die. It's what happens while you're alive if you can't do things for yourself, if you become incapacitated or mentally disabled. You need to have plans in place so that you're still taken care of while you're here. Because who matters more to you than you? Nobody, right? You need to make sure you care for yourself, care for your family. And you know what? It's not just about whether or not you choose where something goes. It could stop a whole court process from happening just because you passed away. You know, you have to think about the fact that this is going to cost money, and not just money out of your estate. Perhaps these people are going to have to spend money away from their jobs to be at your hearings. They're going to have to spend time going through your things and lots of time dealing with lawyers and judges and being in court. And it's uncomfortable, and they have to sit and think the whole time that they're there about the fact that you didn't spend a little time to make an estate plan that could have definitely avoided all of it. And more than that, they're going to want to be thinking about the good times with you and grieving, not going through probate because you didn't make an estate plan. So an estate plan, like life insurance, is necessary, but more so because whether or not you have life insurance, yeah, it's something everybody should probably think about having, especially if you have children. You want money to be helpful for them and to support them, right after you've passed away and maybe even longer. But honestly, regardless of how old your family is and who survives you, the one thing you don't want is to cause them to spend tons of time and effort just because you failed to do something while you were alive. So think of it that way. It's necessary because you're a live human being and you will die one day. If you have any questions, you can contact me through my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law, or comment down below if this platform allows you to do that.